love all things pretty and cute. So this week, for the first time, I'm gonna be trying to make a soap cake slice decorated with blush pink flowers. For this project, I got myself a silicone cake pan that I'll use as a soap mold. Then I'm gonna be trying a color that will give me a soft pastel pink and a new fragrance that also I do not know how it behaves. My oils are ready and my lye solution is ready. Everything is ready, so let's go. For the soap recipe, I added a 5% shea butter because I watched Shauna from Nazumi Soaps testing her soap lather, and she mentioned that shea butter created loads of big bubbles, so I just wanted to have a look if it has any effect to my recipe. Also, I checked the temperatures of the oil and the lye solution, and I think I'm ready to go. To get pastel color, I'm adding titanium dioxide straight into my lye solution and carefully blending it in. I noticed that soap batter traced quite quickly. But that is expected with the additional shea butter. Another test. Let's see how Pure Rhubarb fragrance oil from Riverlea behaves in the soap batter. It incorporated really well. There's no rising, there is no seizing. I'm in love with this fragrance, and it smells like fresh green apples with some sweet tartness underneath. I put this fragrance in my well-behaved fragrance list and definitely buy again list. Making soap dough embellishment, flowers and little cute things is one of my favorite things to do. And of course I love soap piping. But this time I got a little bit impatient, but I'm jumping the video here, just hold on and you'll see. To unmold the soap was quite easy, even though I forgot to add sodium lactate in my recipe. But I think soap slices came out nice, and I was so impatient with my soap icing because I was rushing to finish and pick up kids from school. And as you can clearly see, I didn't allow and harden enough before I started piping. So it's a hot mess, but it looks okay. I just roll with the punches and see what happens. There's nothing that flowers cannot fix. So thanks for joining me today and going through the process on how I learn new things, how I test new things. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you had a good laugh, and I hope you learned something from this video. Have a great day, and I hope to see you next week.